I'm here in Belmont Shore talking with the people about smart homes. Today's question is from Jim. Why does my do-it-yourself home automation system suck?
DIY, answering your custom smart home questions.
I walked into a DIY store the other day and nobody was there to help me.
Reason number 1.
The number one reason why your DIY system isn't any good, there's too many apps. It's too confusing to try and remember how to close your shades and then go to a different app and turn on the lights, and there's no one easy button. It's just all over the place.
Reason number 2.
There's no logic programming. There's no, in the morning, your system's gonna do this, or in the evening, your system's gonna close down like that. We like to have scenes and macro functions with logic programming. If the temperature outside is this, then the inside temperature will be this. At night when you come home, it'll know that you're there and it knows what you like.
Reason number 3.
The network, the infrastructure of your Wi-Fi has to be rock solid. It has to be an enterprise solution. There's 50, 60, 70 devices in a standard home that are using Wi-Fi and network. If you don't have a really good network, nothing is gonna work right.
The DI solution.
If you're interested in the DIY system or a full automation system, it's very important for you guys to consult with us because we know the DIY world and what works and how to make it work with the right network. We also know the full automation system and how they could work together. It has to be engineered right, so please consult with us and we'll get it done for you.
Do you have a burning question for digital installers about custom smart homes? You can submit your question at digitalinstallers.com/questions. Every question will be answered by their staff, and some will even be made into a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share.